abahle, welcome back to the space. If you're new here, Gamela Musli, and thank you for stopping by. I'm not too sure what this is, but let's just call it a vlog between me and you. I don't know what this is, but we're just taking you through this trip that we're on. We're at Bela-Bela, and this is our second time here with the Powerpuff Girls, but this is ultimately my third time vlogging whatever trip we're going to. We've been to almost 15 trips together, like let's just say 100 even, but I just wanted to take you through this trip properly. Let me talk to you because I don't really do that, but yeah, I just wanted to pop in and say hi. I hope everyone is doing well and taking care of themselves. I hope you're enjoying wherever you are, because I am. The sun is setting, I'm looking at beautiful animals, happy to be here, and we're about to go have dinner. This is day 1 of 3 days, yes, and I'm excited, literally. Good morning. Good morning. It is day 2 and we are still here. We are still having fun, guys. I had the best sleep ever, had the best breakfast and the best shower. Can't even lie to you. My mom is currently showering and she's at the outdoor shower. I'll just give you a sneak peek of that. But right now I'm just chilling in the hammock, just basking in the sun, looking at beautiful views, but nothing much, honestly. Today is just going to be a chill day. I'm planning on doing some YLED work because I need to get that done before Saturday. Everything is due on Saturday. So yeah, just doing that today. That's just my ultimate plan. But right now I'm just going to chill here and just enjoy myself. I took some pictures. I don't know if I like them. I'll see if I get another good shot and then I'll decide which ones to post. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys and enjoy watching the rest of this thing. I'll just check in when it's times like these, not just to tell you what I'm doing exactly, because obviously you're seeing what I'm doing, because I promise to talk, but I don't like talking to that extent of telling you, so this is what I'm doing now. Yeah, I don't like that. That's not my vibe. But I hope everyone is still doing good and that you're enjoying this video, whatever this is, you know what I'm saying. And yeah, it's time for me to cook dinner. You've seen all of the meals that we had today. I wasn't the one cooking, so now it's my time to shine. I'm gonna be making a pasta. It's a tomato based pasta. I've never made it before, but I don't think it's gonna be tricky at all. Cooking is simple, you just need to work your way around it, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. It's also going to have chicken on the side, but yeah, let's get down to it. Yes, I pat my chicken because guys, I'm so sorry, but no. This is clean chicken. I can't lie to you. This chicken is so clean and it doesn't have a lot of. Fast man. So it is there's a slaza. Anyway.